Hey y'all, I'm back with some more sauce. Have y'all ever heard of Self, the app that helps you build your credit? Well, I can be one to preach for Self. I have been using Self since 2018. Self definitely definitely is a good program. When I say that you put all the money into it and you get it back, I promise you get a check. Because I wasn't even expecting the check because I ended up screwing it up at a young age, and it still was sent to me. So I know, you know what I mean? I still messed up on their end, but they still made sure I got my money in return, you know what I mean? And I respect them for that. On top of that, my credit has jumped over 140 plus points just with Self. Okay. Self is not expensive at all. If I recall, it's like $48 a month. You know what I mean? It's a good investment. You got to invest in yourself, guys. Y'all got to stop being so small-minded. You know what I mean? Y'all got to think, you know what I mean? You're not going to get there just by sitting on your ass. You know what I mean? Y'all got to put in work. And this is, you know what I mean? This is one of the steps that can easily jump you up 70 points, 50 points, 60 points, whatever. You know what I mean? Might be able to get you that house. You know what I mean? It's as simple as that. Be able to get you that car. You know what I mean? That loan, that mercy loan, that business loan, whatever. You know what I mean? But it's possible, y'all. Remain blessed.